So in last end of the session, we discussed about the case statements, and also I told importance of the case statement, guys. If you go to any real-time projects, okay, there is no, I mean, mostly in every code, you may see these case statements. Okay, there will be a most importance for them. For that purpose, I will revise once again some use cases. Then we'll continue from that. Okay, so let's check is there EMP table or not. Select star from EMP. Okay. See, guys, there is a EMP table is available. Okay. Let's take some case statements, what we can do. See how to implement if and else. Guys, case statement means what is the main primer thing is.
मेरा 15 नंबर
Okay.
15 आता चालू झाला तो.
Can you please, Rishi, before you talking, just check your. Okay. Let's see, guys. We have to start a case. Okay. Here we can give the column name. Okay. Here we can give the column name, based on which column we are writing the statement, or else instead of this, what is the best practice, then case, there is a when. Okay, when you can write the column name. I mean, you can write the condition. You have to write the condition. Okay, if that condition met, what you want means if this condition met, I mean, what it has to return. Okay, return. Okay, what you have to return, that expression you need to write. Anyway, if I show you like this, it will be confused. Let's try to, this already we have discussed. And instead of increment, let's work on this use case. Okay, guys, this is a case use case. Okay, increment employee salary as follows. Instead of increment, show. Okay, show employee salaries as follows. Means what? If department number 10, I want to increase how much? Guys, for department number 10, how much I want to increase?
10%.
If 20 means 15, 30 means 20, other means only 5%, guys. Okay. Let's see how we can do. Okay. Let me write the conditions. First of all, see that I want employee show, employee name, salary, and employee salaries, increased salary. And as a third column, increased salary. Okay. With these conditions, guys. So what is the first column I want? Select. What is the first column I want?
Employee name.
Employee name, then salary, then increased salary. Okay. So select e-name, comma, salary, comma. For this increased salary, I need to write what? Case statement, guys. Okay. Let's write case. Okay, case. Now, guys, you just tell me if you want not to get confused, you can write this case statement in another line. Case based on which column? Based on which column?
Salary.
Department number. Based on department number, right? If the person belongs to department number 10, then 10%. If the person belongs to department number 20, then 15. If the person belongs to department number 30, then 20%. Instead of 10, 20, 30, if there are any other department, for them 5%. This is a condition I want to write. So case based on which column? Department number, DEPT number, department number column. What I want to write? When. Okay. When. Department number 10. Then what is our return you want? Salary. Okay, salary plus what is the 10% means salary multiplied with how much? 0.1 or 0.10?
0.1.
0.1 means 10%, 0.15. I think 0.10, right? No. No. 0.1, 0.1. Let's try with 0.1. Let's check. 0.1. Similarly, when if it belongs to department number 20, then what it has to return? Already existing salary plus how much it has to add? salary multiply with, for department number 30, how much? 0.15 means 0.15 means 15%, right? That's all. And then similarly, guys, when department number 30, for them 20%, then existing salary plus salary multiply with 0.2. Okay. In for a, now what is the last condition, guys? What is the, for 10 condition is written, 20 also written, 30 also written. For all others means instead of 10, 20 and 30, whoever out of this range. So for them, what should I do? Else for them, salary plus salary multiply with how much? I mean 5% means 0.05, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's all, guys. Finally, you have to write what? End. For this column, okay, this is a completely one column, guys. This is completely like e-name is one column, salary is another column, and this is the another column. Okay, for that, as alias name, as INCR, increased salary. Okay, all this from which table, guys? All this from
EMP.
from EMP. Hope everyone. Now let's see, guys. Okay, you can see the output. Okay, see, guys, employee name is there, salary is there, and also case statement.
Sharukh, your voice is not audible.
Okay, now, sorry, I just mute. Now it's okay, right? See, to just get a confirmation, guys, let me write the department number column also. See, guys, you can check here. For department number 10, 10%, right? Okay. See, what is the 10% in 5,000? What is the 10% in 5,000? 500, right? Okay. It is added, right? Current salary plus 500 added, right? Let's check for department number 30. For department number 30, how much, guys? 20%. What is the 20% in 2850? Whatever it may be, it is added, guys. Okay. Hope you guys understood. Okay. So, guys, if I want to order this, with respect to department number, what should I do in final? I want to I want to sort this data with respect to department numbers. How can I do?
Order.
Select.
What
Order
select?
by.
Order by, that's all. Order by which is which column? Department number column. Okay. If you don't give anything, by default, it will take in ascending order. Now you can clearly check. Okay. For department number 10 people. Okay. See. Department number 10, it is 10th, 10%. For 20, 15, for 30, 20% is added. Understood, guys, how to write the case statement? Is there any doubt? I'm asking everyone. It's very simple, guys. Okay. You need to start the case based on which column? Based on which column? When the department number is 10, then what you want? When department number is 20, then what you want? When department number 30, what you want? Okay. Instead of this, else condition. Finally, if not 10, 20, 30. For example, there is a department number 40, 50, 60 for all. How much it will be increased? Only 5%. Finally, we need to end this. Okay. For that column, I just given a alias name. All this from which table? Finally, order by. Hope guys, you understood. If not, please let me know. Okay. This is searched case. Okay, searched case means searched case, guys. You guys told me, right? Why not we write? Okay, and also, guys, let me write. You can write like this also. Same thing you can write like this also. There will be no problem. Okay. So when case, instead of writing this department number here, instead of writing this department number here, you can write here directly. You can write the case when department number equals to here also when department number equals to, okay, when department number equals to, okay, like this also you can write a case when department number equals to 10, then this is you. Try and execute this. Same output, right? Okay. See, guys, what is the advantage means whenever you are using equals to operator, okay, whenever you are using this equals to operator, you can mention that column name in the above, then you can directly write the 10, 20, 30 like that. But there is another case is there, guys, another case that is searched case. Okay. Searched case. Let me show you. I already in last session I have explained this, but anyway, to just make you remember, let's, okay. For example, this is what you want to write. Yes, let's see. For example, you want employee name and his salary and his salary range. Do you know the salary range? Guys, do you know the salary range? No, right? To define this salary range, okay? To define this salary range, okay? What is the salary? If the person is having salary above 3,000, then it has to display as high salary. If the person is having salary less than 3,000, how much? Low salary. And in between, so it is not a correct thing. So shall we do something for this? Can I make this for the 1,000? 1,000 means 3,000 less than that is not good, right? Okay. And if the person is having salary between 1,000 to 3,000, he's what? Average salary. Guys, is it clear what I want to display? Just tell me, are you clear what we are going to do?
Yes.
Okay. Right. This is what different, guys. Here you are not going to use the equals to operator. Okay. Okay. Let me write this simple, guys. Select. What is the first column I want? E-name. Second column, salary. Okay. Then you can start the case statement. Case. Okay. Case. Can you write, if I write here, column first. Okay. Based on which column I want to write the condition. Just let me know first of all. Based on which column?
Salary.
Okay. Can I write the salary here? Then what it will happen if I write when salary is greater than how much? 3,000. It won't work, guys. See, when you are using, okay, when you are using equals to operator means when it is a equals to, then it will work out. Okay, for that, but in here, what is this? Greater than or less than? It won't work like this. Okay, so what you can do, where case when salary, okay, case when salary is greater than 3,000, what I want to display, guys? Then what I want to display as a text.
I salary.
Okay, high salary. Next, when salary is less than 1,000, then what I want? Then I want to display as a low salary. And finally, guys, do you think, do I need to write the condition for this? Salary between here, I
No.
mean, directly if I write else means if the low, I mean, below 1,000 low, above 3,000 high, between 1,000 to 2,000 is the only else condition, right? So can I write, okay, this between range as what? Average salary. Okay. Finally, what should you do, guys? Don't forget, you have to write the end. You have to start the case. You need to end. For this, can I write the alias name? What is the alias name? salary range. Can I write this column name as what? Salary underscore range. Okay, salary range. From which table? From which table? EMP table. That's all. Now you can see, guys. From keyword not found. Oh, sorry. You just I missed the comma, guys. Okay. E name salary, comma, then now you can do. Is it clear, guys? First column is what? Employee name. Second column is what? Salary. And based on salary column, who is the highest salary, who is the lowest salary, you can see. Is that clear, guys? How to write the case statement? Do any guys, is it clear for everyone?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
please respond. Okay. Okay. For example, guys, there is some use cases are there. Okay. Um, okay. For example, just try to understand this one. I'm not going to create any table, but just see, guys, anyone, if you tell the query, that's much more enough. See, there is a one example. Okay. There is a one table called students table, guys. Students table. Okay. While you are practicing, please create a table called student table and try to practice. Okay. For this student number, okay, there are some columns. Okay. Like student number. Okay. And student name. Okay. And subject 1 marks, subject 2 marks, subject 3 marks. Okay. Okay. So what is asking? Display student serial number, student name, and total, average, and result. Guys, what is the meaning of result? Generally, while you are in a 10th standard or somewhere, if you have 6 subjects, you have to get at least 35 marks, right? Equals to or greater than 35 marks, right? Equals to, I mean, greater than or equals to 35 marks on each subject, every subject, then only what? It will be considered as pass, right? Correct or not? What I'm saying.
Yes.
Okay. Even if you miss one subject also, it will be considered as a fail. So now I want to find average of each student. And in last column, what I want? I want to display either the student is pass or fail. Okay. It is very simple, guys. Very simple. Anyone can tell? Anyone can tell the query? Okay. Select. What is the first I want? Serial number of the student. Next, what I want? Student name. And in third column, what I want? Total. Okay, total. Total means what, guys? How should I write? Simple, guys. S1 plus subject 1 marks plus subject 2 plus subject 3. This will be considered as what? As total. Okay. Okay. This column also completed. Now average I want. Can I write in next column? Okay. So how to calculate the average? Total divided by number of, right? How many subjects are there?
3.
Okay, simply S1 plus S2 plus S3. Okay, everything will be divided by 3. Considered as what? AVG, average. Okay, we got average also. Finally, what you want? Result. Either he's passed or not. Okay, how can you write the condition? Result. Please think, guys. Whether he's pass or fail, how can we?
Can we write case statement for 3 subjects?
Yes, yes. Right. Tell me how can we do? Simple as you can check here. Okay. See, when S1 should be greater than 35 and S2 should be greater than 35, and also similarly S3 should be greater than 35, then only pass or else fail. Simply, okay, I'll start what? Case. Okay, case. Okay, case. When, okay, S1 should be greater than or equals to how much? 35. And also what? I need to write multiple conditions now. Not only single subject. That's why. And one more thing, what? And S2 should be greater than or equals to. S2 should be greater than or equals to how much? 35. And S3 should be what? Greater than or equals to how much? 35. Okay. S1, S2, S3. Then what? If this condition met, what is the output? Pass.
Pass.
Else, if this condition not met, else he is fail. So you can end the case and you can keep this column name as what? Result. Okay, result. All this from which table? All this from which table? From students table. That's all, guys. That's all. See, guys, case if this condition met means student has to be means the person S1 should be greater than 35, S2 should be greater than 35 or equals to 35, and S3 should be greater than or equals to 35, then he is pass. Else, if this condition not met, directly we can write else he's fail. Okay, for that column, what is the name we are giving? Result column. Okay, so guys, I don't have a table called students table in my database. I just shown you the code. This is a code. Okay, see guys, like that, based on the existing data, we do many analysis. Okay, anyone having any doubt? Okay.
Hi, Sharukh.
Yeah, please. Yeah, hi.
Why we write that S1, S2, S3 using and not in separate?
Have you practiced the end and the or?
Yes,
Well,
yes,
initial.
yes. But I'm asking about the reason.
That's what I'm saying, the reason only. See, S1 condition means if you want to write the multiple conditions, then what you should use?
Yes, and operator.
Means what I mean to say. See, S1, if I say S1 comma, and again, if that will be different, right? If S1 is greater than 35, then it will be pasa. Means let me write here. See, if see when S1 is greater than, okay, S1 is greater than or equals to 35, then can I write it as a pass? Can I write it as a pass? Is it correct? Only in single subject, if he got 35 marks, can we consider him as a pass?
No.
No. For that reason, S1 and also S2 means S1, within this S1, I mean S2 and S3 and S4, like multiple conditions means it, and means what, guys? Everything should be true, right? Or means either any one of the true also true.
Yes.
Like in this, okay, true and true, then only it will true. Even one condition also fail means it won't write. That's why. You can check, guys. You can check. For example, I want all the employees who are working in department number 20 as a managers. I want all the employees who are working in department number 30 as managers. Okay, managers, for example, okay, managers or something. So how should I write? Select star from EMP where? What is the first condition? What is the first condition? Department number equals to what? 30. Within this department number, it is not only the single condition, right? Like how here. If he pass only single subject, it is not considered as a pass, right? Similarly, here also, if he's working in department number 30, that's not enough. Within this department number, then we use what? And condition. And what? Job equals to manager. Guys, in simple words, if you want to use a multiple conditions, multiple searched conditions, see only one person is there. Okay, then you can use the end operator here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, guys. So as of now, we have completed almost all important functions. Now we'll go to analytical functions. Nothing but OLAP. OLAP means online analytical processing. This is very, very important functions, guys. Okay. So mostly in interviews, they will ask. There is a mostly very highly important is rank and dense rank. There are two functions, rank and dense rank. It is very, very important. So what is this rank, dense rank, and what are all the use cases? We'll see right now. Rank and dense rank. See, guys, now what is the category
Sharukh,
of, yeah?
is this case statement similar to switch in
Yes, yes.
programming?
Other statement. You can switch. You write that is switch for loop is there, right? Yeah, you can consider as a switch.
Okay, I got it.
Directly, if this you are going to switch to some condition, right? If that condition meet, you will write
Yeah.
same thing. So you may aware of the Python or something, right? C somewhere.
Yeah, it's like
Oh,
Java, like
okay. I'll explain. Okay, guys. Now the very important function, very important, it's like analytical functions. Nothing but what? OLAP functions. Guys, there are some functions very important. This where we use normally in analyticals. There is a rank and dense rank, guys. Okay, rank and dense rank. So we are aware of the term called rank. What is the meaning of rank, guys? Basically, rank. See, we know, right? In classrooms also, who got highest marks, he'll be first rank, then second rank, third rank, fourth rank. If you write any competitive exams also, okay, based on your performance, okay, you will get some ranks. Okay, so guys, rank. If you want to find the rank, always there should be one dependency, guys. Dependency. Okay. What is a dependency means? For example, there is a classroom. In that classroom, okay, they conducted some exam. Okay. So if you want to find the rank, what is a dependency, guys? Marks, right? Based on marks only, uh, they will calculate the rank, right? Like that, if you want to find the rank or dense rank, there will be always some dependency, guys. This is a basic thing that we know, but like I'm explaining to you again. Okay. Okay, fine. Let's see what is a rank. Both functions here, both functions means what, guys? Rank and the dense rank. Both are used to calculate ranks. Okay. Rank is always based on some expression. That is what I said to you guys. Okay. Based on some expression. Means if I want to find the rank of a student, marks are the expression, right? See, that's what here we are explaining. Rank is always based on what? Some functions. Okay. For rank functions, input must be sorted. And guys, whatever the input we give to find the rank, for example, to find the rank, to find the rank, I'm passing some mark list, guys. Marks. Okay. Marks. A list of student marks I'm passing there. So this marks, how should I pass? In some proper order, either in ascending order or descending order. Okay, I should do by order by. Order by. See, guys, you also know, right? How you get first rank based on the top. Second rank, next top. Next highest marks, you will get the third rank. Means here marks should be sorted, right? Marks should be sorted in proper order, right? Okay. So whatever the input we give to find out the rank, that input should be sorted either in ascending order or in descending order based on our requirement. Are you clear what I said now? Whatever the input whatever the input, for example, I want to find some rank. To find this rank, I'm passing some input. I'm passing some input. Okay. It may be, okay. That input should be sorted either in ascending order or descending order. Okay. Okay, fine. This is a syntax, guys. Rank over. Okay. Order by column name, either in ascending order or descending order. Okay. Either in ascending order or descending order. Okay, guys. Let's see. First, I'll explain you. This is my first question. Okay. Let's see the column syntax, guys. Rank. This is a rank function. This is what dense rank. I'll explain you difference between rank and dense rank in some time. First of all, let's see rank and dense rank. You have to give over based on which column. That column should be ordered. Okay. Okay, fine. Let's see how we can do. This is what a question. So now we are discussing what? Analytical functions, guys. Analytical functions. Okay, good. Let's see. This is my first question. Display rank of employees based on the salaries, and the highest paid employee should get the first rank. Now I want to find this rank of employees, guys. Okay, I want to give the rank. I want to give the rank. Let's see, guys. Select star from EMP. Okay, EMP. So what I mean, okay, so if you see here, guys, here 5,000 is there, means highest salary. You should get first rank. Then next highest is second. Then next highest is the third. Like that, I want to give the rank to the employees based on which expression? Based on what, guys? What is the expression here? I want to find rank based on expression. What is the expression here? Expression is nothing but salary, right? Based on salary is the expression. So what is the one more thing you need to notice in your mind? Highest paid salary, highest paid person should get first rank. So I want to order data in descending order. Means if I do a descending order, what will happen? Highest paid employee should get first, right? Let's see, guys. Let me write the answer. Select as a first column e name, comma, salary, comma. Now I want to find out the rank, guys. What is the syntax? R-A-N-K, rank. Okay. Now next, immediately you have to write over. Within this, you need to write what? Over. Okay. So based on which column?
Salary.
Okay. Order by, based on which column? Salary column.
Disable.
I want to order in descending order. That's all, guys. See, I want to find rank based on the salary. That salary should be sorted in descending order. Okay. Can I give this column as what? As rank. From all this, from which table? From EMP table. You can check, guys. You can check. Now you have to observe one thing. You have to tell the differences. Guys, can you see here? You have a ranks or not? What is your observation here? How the ranks are given? Okay. 5,000 is the highest one. So first rank. And I got 2 times 2. Why? What is the reason? I got 2 times 2.
Same salary.
Same salary. That's why I got 2. And then 3 is not available. Why? Because 1, 2, 3 is completed. Then next highest salary is fourth rank, then fifth rank, then sixth rank. Okay. Now I do a small correction. You can answer this. Now, for example, I want to give the ranks. Same thing. I want to give the ranks. I want to give the ranks. Same thing, guys. Display rank of employees based on salaries, and highest paid employee should get first rank. Instead of highest, now I will modify this to lowest. Lowest paid employee should get the first rank. So how can I do this? Same, guys. Select. First column, I want employee name. Second column, salary. And third column, what I want? Rank, right?
Yeah.
So rank. In this rank, I want to pass the expression within over. Okay. Order by. Based on which column? Order by. Which column?
Yeah.
Salary column. This time ascending or descending?
Ascending.
Ascending. Why? Why? Because lowest paid employee should get the as R and K. Guys, I'm not mentioning here as DESE. Why? Because by default, if we don't give anything, what it will take? Ascending order. From which table? From EMP table. Okay. Now select and run this opposite, guys. Okay. See, now lowest paid employee. See, lowest paid employee starting from 800 onwards. Starting from lowest paid. Okay. You can check it here. 800 is a first one. Okay. 950 is a. Okay, guys, this is based on scenario. Sometimes, right, if you get low score, you will be win. Sometimes, if you get high score, you will be eliminated. Like that, scenarios will be there now. Okay, to find the ranks, everything. Okay, okay. Now, let's check, guys. In the same thing, I'll write the dense rank. Okay, same thing. Display the rank of employees. Display the rank of employees. Display the rank of employees based on salaries. The highest paid. This time, let's make this to highest paid employee should get first rank. Now, I'll write the same syntax, guys, but this time I'm not going to use the rank. I will use the dense rank. Now, please, you observe what is the difference between rank and dense rank. Okay, let me write select E name is a first, comma, next column is salary, and then what is a column? Dense. Oh, dense or dense? I forgot the dense spelling, guys. D-N-C, that's only D-E-N-S-C. Okay. Dense rank. Okay. Dense rank. Okay. Now, not rank, guys. Dense rank. Here also similar, guys. Over. Based on which column? Order by. Okay. Based on salary column, that should be expression should be sorted, right? That's why order by salary column in descending order. I will give this column name as what? R and K. Okay. D underscore R and K. Let's give D underscore R and K. Dense rank. From which table? From EMP table. Okay. From EMP table. Now let's write. Okay. Okay. Now please observe the output. Anyone can able to see what is the difference between rank and dense rank? You can explain here. See, 5,000 is the highest paid employee, so he got the first rank. So next to 3,000, 3,000, that's why 2 and 2. Immediately, 2,975 is getting third highest salary. Did you observe anything here? Difference between rank and dense rank?
In previous table, we have fourth instead of third.
Yes, yes, yes. Simply, what is your conclusion, guys? What is your conclusion? When you have a same numbers, then it will give 2, 2. And instead of giving 2, if you use the rank, directly it will go to 4. But in case of dense rank, after 2, 2, it will give 3. In simple words, in simple, what is the conclusion? Rank will give in rank, simple words, in simple, okay, there will be gaps when same number available. Okay, there will be gaps. In dense rank, if anyone asks you, you can tell like this. In dense rank, simple. In dense rank, no gaps. No gaps. That's all, guys. No gaps. That is the difference between rank and dense rank. Okay. There is a difference between rank and dense rank. Okay. So here we have a listed, guys. Okay. Here we have listed. You can check difference between rank and dense rank. Okay. So you can see the explanation also here. Rank function generate what? Gap. But dense rank will not generate what? Gap. Next point is what? In rank function, rank may not be sequence, but in dense rank function, ranks will be in sequence. Means what? You can check here. There is a one column. Okay, you are finding ranks. Okay, see 5,000, 4,000, 3,000, 3,000. For 5,000, 1 is okay. For 4,000, 2 is okay. For 3,000, 3,000, 2 times repeated, na? So that's why it is giving what? Oh, sorry, it's 3 times repeating. Okay, how it is giving? 1, 1, 2, I mean 3, 3, 3. Directly instead of 4 and 5, where it is jumped to 6. Again, after 6, 6, it is jumped to where? 8. Means, can you find here gaps is available, right? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Okay, gaps is available now. But in case of dense rank, you can see there will be no gaps. 5,000, okay. But 4,000, 2, okay. 3,000 for 3 times 3, okay. But it gives what? Next to 4, 4, then 5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I hope everyone is clear, guys. If not, means please let me know. Mostly in interviews, they will ask what is the difference between rank and dense rank. Freshers, okay. Split the ranks based on salary, and if the salaries are same, then rank should be based on the experience. Okay. Okay. And I have a one more thing, guys. I have a one more thing here. A new question for you. Okay. So the first try to understand the question. First try to understand the question, guys. Display rank based on which column? Based on which column? Based on what expression, guys?
Salary.
Experience.
First point is what? Please read question very careful, guys. Display rank based on which column? Salary column. Okay. If salaries are same, if the salaries are same, then you have to go to another condition. What? Rank should be based on what? Experience. What does it mean? For example, there is one of my friend. He's having 30,000 salary. Okay. At the same time, I too have the same salary. Who gets the rank? We in general, what we get, for example, both are second rank. Both are second ranks only. But this is not they want. Okay. If the salaries are same, then rank should be based on what? Experience. Means, for example, I have joined in January month. Okay. But my friend is joined on the thing that April. Okay. So who will get the rank first? I mean, he's the experienced guy, right? Means I am the one. Okay. Experienced, right? Understood, guys? If the salaries are same, then ranks should be based on what? Their experience. So I joined early. So I am having a highest more 3 years, 3 months more experience than this guy, right? So, okay. So I'll get a second rank. So this guy will get rank 3. Next, did you understood the logic first of all? I want to find the ranks based on salary only. In case if the two persons having same salary, then that rank should be based on then in that both persons, okay, based on the salary. I'm sorry, based on the experience, they should get what? We have to calculate the ranks, guys. Simple, guys. Select what I want first column, employee name, comma, okay, salary, comma. Next, hire date also I will add, guys, to check the difference, okay. Hire date. From which column? Okay, now I'll write what? Rank, okay. I want to find the rank, okay. Rank function over, okay, over. Based on what? Salary. Okay. Highest paid salary, highest paid person should get what? First rank, right? So order by which column? Salary column. In what? Descending order. Okay. Comma. And also one other column is what you know, right? I explained you multi-ordering, guys. I explained you multi-ordering while I am explaining you order by class, single ordering and multi-ordering. I have shown you now. Similarly, if both, okay, hire date in ascending order or descending order. If you want to get as rank from which table? From EM table. I want to ask you everyone, guys, did you understood this or not? Rank over order by salary, comma, high date in ascending order means you check the output. Missing parenthesis where rank, okay, over order by salary. Everything is fine. Where is the parenthesis
Again,
missing?
we need to put order by after comma.
I think for second time no need. See, order by salary, descending order. See, once we write, then we can
Yeah,
give
yeah.
the expression. Let's read. Select employee name, comma, salary, comma, hire date, comma, rank I want over order by salary in descending order, comma, ascending ASC or what this one? I just forgot that
Yes,
is
yeah.
ASC, ASC, guys. ASC, not A. Ascending order means ASC. Sorry, that's what it is not showing keyword. Like it is in red color, right? It is not in red color. Okay, now you can check. Okay, you can see, guys. E name, salary, hire date. Now you please find out. Now just tell me one reason. If you see this output, okay, guys, 5,000 he's having first rank, but 3,000, 3,000. I have a 2 and 3. Why? I have a 2 and for this even salaries are same. I have a higher second rank for this person, third rank for this person. Why? He is the, can you see?
Experience.
12/3/1981. He joined in 1982. Now, who is the senior in these two guys? Who is the highly experienced person?
Oh,
This Ford. Okay.
Ford.
For him, he got second rank. Now he got the third rank. Understood, guys? We can find the rank based on what? Multiple expressions. Okay. See, guys, it is not anything confusion. While I'm explaining you order by multi-ordering also I have explained you. Okay. Same concept. Order by salary in descending order, high date in ascending order. So based on this expression, rank will be calculated. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Now one step more. I just want to ask you before you are going to understand this. Okay, okay. Are you clear with these functions?
Yes.
Okay, from everyone, guys.
Yes.
There are so many persons. Pritesh, Sharath, okay, Prashant.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine, guys. Okay. Now we'll go one step more. In this, we can do partition also, guys. Partition. Partition. Okay. We can do partition also. Guys, what is the meaning of partition? What is the meaning of basic? What is
We
the
can divide. We can
divide?
divide.
Yes, yes. In simple words, it's nothing but divide. Okay. Now see some of the questions. See, partition by is also a class. Like how you have an order by, partition by class. When partition by is also a class. Okay. Why it is used to find the ranks. Okay. Used to find the ranks within a group. Okay. Within a group. To find the rank within a department, first we need to divide the table within the department wise. Okay. Nothing, guys. We divide and assign, guys. We just divide. Partition by class. Okay. See, one more thing. Partition by class and apply the dense rank function on each partition instead of applying dense rank on whole table. Okay. Let me tell you the use case first of all. Okay. First of all, let me tell you. If you read the question, then we'll go to the answer. Okay. Okay. Please read the question, guys, first. Okay. Display rank of employees with the department number and the highest paid employee should get the first rank. What is the difference here? Previous one and this one. Display rank of employees where? Within department wise. Department wise. Okay. See, guys. So there is a 3 departments. What is that? Department number 10, department number 20, and department number 30. So I want to find these ranks. I want to find this rank within department number 10. I want to find these ranks within department number 20. I want to find the rank of employees within department number 30. So what I want to do before applying the ranks, what should I do? I want to partition, right? I want to partition this table and then I want to find the ranks based on what? Salary. So here 2 points, guys. So first point is what? I want to partition. Okay. Based on which column? Department number column. Then next point is what? Need to find the rank. Based on what? Salary. 2 points, guys. That's all. Let me write the syntax. You will understand. It's very simple. Select ename, comma, salary, comma. Okay. Now let me find the rank. Rank over. Okay. Rank over. Based on which column? First of all, before finding the ranks, what should I do, guys? Before finding the ranks, what should I do?
You have to check the department number.
That's what I'm saying. Okay. Wait 1 minute. I got some mail at today at 3 p.m. Okay, fine. Okay. First, we need to, no need to check. See, what I mean to say, before applying the rank, I need to divide this table, right? Partition. So I want to write partition by which column? Based on which column? Department number. First, I want to partition. After partition, what should I do? I want to order by which column? Salary column. In which order? Descending order. That's all, guys. As rank. From which table? From EMP table. See what I am doing. First point, I am dividing this table. I'm partitioning this table with respect to which column? Department number column. After partitioning, in each partition, what I am doing? In each partition, what I am doing? I am ordering the salary in descending order. Okay, that's all. You just run this code. I think comma is not necessary. I forgot. Comma is not necessary here. Still, where is a parenthesis? Rank over party. Okay, guys, it's a partition. Okay, partition, sorry. Partition. I just partition I have written. Partition by department number. Order by salary. Now you check, guys. You can see here. Do one thing. Just add department number column also here. One more column to just observe the differences. I have employee name. I have a salary. And also what I have? Department number. Then finally what I have? Rank. Okay. Now check this, guys. First, before applying any ranks, I have a 2 times 1 ones here. Oh, where is this? This is what? First partition. Okay. All employees belongs to department number 10. They got the ranks, right? 1, 2, 3. First to 5,000 is a first rank. 2,450 is a second rank. And next to 1,300. Similarly, okay. For department number 20 also, you can check. For department number 20. Okay. For who is having 3,000, 3,000. Okay. They are all belongs to department number 20. 1, 1, 3, 4, 5. You have ranks now. That's why here is silent. You can say yes or no if you won't
Yes.
understand. Everyone. Okay. So like that, guys, if you observe, you have a department number 30 also. In department number 30 is another partition. Okay. Based on the salaries. Okay. Based on the salaries, highest paid salary got first rank within this department number 30, next to second, next to third, next to 4, 4. Okay. Now just tell me one more thing. I don't want like this 4, 4 or within this department number 21 1. So I want partition by partition with respect to department number, and ordering should be what? Based on salary, and if both got same rank, based on experience, it should be rank should be calculated. How I can do? Means I want, okay, within these department numbers, the highest paid employee should get rank first rank, and also what? And one more condition. If the salaries are same, rank should be based on. I'm adding one more point here. Okay. So let me write this as another thing, another query. Please wait. Okay. And a comma. One more thing I'm going to add. What is that? If salaries are same, let me write in a second line. Okay. This is my question, guys. Display the rank of employees within department number, and highest paid employee should get the first rank. Okay. If salaries are same, then rank should be based on what? Experience. Can anyone tell the query, guys? If you understood, anyone? At any cost, we will wrap up this. Okay.
So we can add one more column in that order by higher date for higher date.
Tell me the syntax. Select ename,
Ename, salary,
comma. Okay, let's salary, comma,
department number,
department number, comma.
higher date,
Can I write high date also?
higher date,
Higher date, comma.
rank,
Now can I use the order by single line? So first of all, rank. I want to find rank. Based on what? Over. Okay. So first I want to do what? Within department numbers. Okay. Within the department numbers. So that what should I write? Partition
partition by
Okay.
department number.
Partition by department number. Okay.
Order by
Next order by salary in descending
the
order. Comma. One more thing.
higher date.
Yes. Higher date. High date in ACS. No,
Yes.
ASC. Okay. For this, no, ASC only correct. Okay.
Yeah.
As what rank? This is
Rank
rank.
from here.
RNK, simply RNK, right? From which table? From EMP table. That's good, guys. Now, if you could able to understand. Okay. Now you can check the output. You can tally this output. Okay. See, guys. Employee name. Okay. Salary. Department number. And rank. Hire date. And finally, rank. Now you check department number 10 first. First, I have a department number 10. So I have 1, 2, 3. But here, in department number 20, let me highlight only the department number 20. Okay, see, even I have the same salaries. You can see here, even I have the same salaries, but based on what? Based on high date. He's the joined first. Okay, he's the person who fought joined first. So he got the first rank, and next one is second rank. Okay. This is all about rank and nth rank, guys. We have discussed a lot. Let's see, is there any other points? Sorry to go fast. Guys, did you understood or not? Will you able to understand or not?
Yes, Sharukh, understood.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Okay, fine. That's all, guys. Nothing is much. Now the last functions. Okay, so we came to final. This is okay, nothing. Now what is the last category of function? This is just a 5 minutes, guys. Next category of function is called what? Group okay, aggregation functions are group functions. Why we call these aggregation functions or group functions? Let's discuss right now. Okay. Okay. Generally, we call them, okay, let me keep grouping functions or aggregation functions. Both are same. Okay. So here hardly we have a 5 functions, guys. I think 5. That is what, okay. There is a sum function, average function, and then what you have? Min, okay, max, count function. Okay, there is a count function. So there is a one more function is there that is called count of star. This only 5 functions, guys. Okay, only 5 functions. Okay, guys, are you clear? Only 5 functions. It's very simple. What is sum function, average function, minimum function, max function? Okay, max function and a count function. So guys, by name itself, first let's discuss about this sum function. Okay, sum function. What is the use of this sum function? You know, right? What is the meaning of sum? For example, I want, okay, select sum of salary. Okay, sum of salary. From which table? From EMP table. So what will be the output, guys?
Addition.
We'll get what? Sum. You will get, okay, if you do all the, okay, if you take the EMP table, if you sum all the salaries, Okay, this is what total. Now, similarly, select, okay, AVG means what? Average of salary from which table? From EMP table. So what will be the answer, guys? It gives the average. Okay, so all the salaries will be, okay, all the salaries will be added and divided with the number of salaries. How many number of salaries? 14. So guys, you are getting what? Average salary is how much? 2073. Okay, after decimal, if you want only 2 day, okay, how you can do this? Can anyone tell? After decimal, I don't want this many dots. After decimal, I don't want this many numbers. So how can you do this? What is the solution for this?
We can use round function.
That's what. Yes,
Using
exactly.
round.
Yes, round. Okay, in round function. I want only 2 decimals. Okay, in this, I will pass average of salary. Comma, after decimal, how many I want only 2 from EMP. If you don't give 2 now, what will happen? Okay, if you don't give 2, don't get confused, guys. Okay, just this is the average. This average I am rounding to after decimal 2. Okay, if I don't give 2, this 2 will also will won't this also will not come. Okay, okay. Let's see what is a mean function. Select mean of salary from which table? From EMP table. Mean of salary. So it will give minimum. Okay. Similarly, max, guys. Select max of salary. From which table? From EMP table. What is the maximum salary, guys? Since we are familiar with EMP table, you should know their names also.
5,000. King.
Okay. So from last how many days we are discussing about the EMP table? You should memorize the names also. Okay, 5,000. Now count, guys. Okay, let's see what is a select count of salary from EMP. How many values are there, guys, in EMP? How many salaries are there? If you want, you can check. You can check. First, you check and tell me the answer. Select star from EMP. So, how many salaries are there? How many salaries are there? Total 14. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Simply, guys, this many 14 rows means 14 salaries, right? So, select a count of salaries means what? How much output will be? 14. Okay. Can you please wait 1 minute? Sorry, guys. Okay, just take select count of star. Okay, select a count of star from which table? EMP. See guys, how many salaries are there? Just check how many salaries are there.
14.
14. Okay. 14 salaries. Now select a count of star. If I give commission column, okay, commission column, just check how many commissions are there. It is 14, but this is what? 4. What is the reason? That is 14 and this is 4. Why, what is the reason?
Only 4 employees are getting commission.
Only 4 employees. Okay. Only 4 employees. That's the reason. Okay. Null values will not be counted, guys. Okay. Null values will not be counted. And the last final one, let's check. Select. Okay. Select count of star from EMP. Let's check what does it give. What will it give? So what it will give? Select a count of star from EMP means what it will give? Okay, count of star means it will give what? Table count, guys. Table count. Okay, it will give what? Table count. Okay, you can check if you run and you can check. It will give what? Table count. Can you see here?
Yes.
Okay, it will give the table count.
Yes.
And also, it will give the table count. What is the difference between count and the count of star, guys? Difference
Count of
between
star, it will select all the
count of star will give table count, guys. Table count. Count of anything, count function will give what?
column.
Count of star will give what? Column. Okay, column count. I hope everyone understood, guys. See, let me share this with you. And please practice before, okay? I think we have completed almost all the functions, guys, okay? There will be 19, quarter 2, all these things, okay? There is a something I'll explain you, these 2 points in tomorrow's session. Let me complete, and there is some add-ons also there here. Okay, so we have completed all every function, guys, okay? We'll give a conclusion of all these functions in next session. And we can start the another topic group by, okay? So please practice before attending tomorrow's session. Why? Because whatever I'm going to teach, right, it is completely correlated to the topics which we covered today, okay? So before you come to the, before you attending the session tomorrow, please practice this and attend the session, okay? Let me stop this recording.